In today's video, you'll learn the E sound. Two E's, when they come together, usually they make the E sound. So usually when you see two E's together in words, you say E. To remember the E sound, I like to add a fun, jolly phonics action to it. Put your open hands above your eyes and say E, like a donkey's ear. Let's try it again. E. One more time. E. Great. Let's practice reading some words with the E sound. I hope you're ready because I am. Let's go. S, E, S, E, see. N, E, D. N, E, D. Need. B, E. B, E. B. W, E, P. W, E, P. Weep. Ch, E, K. Ch, E, K. Cheek. Sh, E, P. Sh, E, P. Sheep. Eel. Oh. E-O. Heel. Well, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you learned these words. Keep practicing them over and over so that you'll learn to read them when you see them in words. Kids, you're doing so great, and I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I love you.